In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic clockouts in QuickBooks Time using a laptop browser. This walkthrough is perfect if you want to prevent accidental long shifts, keep timesheets clean, and give your team a clear way to correct their clockout time when needed. We'll work entirely in a laptop browser, and I'll keep the process simple and precise. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Time account on your laptop. For best results, make sure you're using an account with permission to change company settings. If something I mention isn't visible to you, it usually means you don't have access and may need an admin to help. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and click Company Settings. This is where all the global time and attendance rules live. From there, choose Time Options. Think of this area as the control center for how time is entered, corrected, and approved across your organization. Scroll down to the Time Entry section. Here, you'll turn on Allow Team Members to Adjust Clockout Time. This setting lets employees fix their end time if they forgot to clock out on the dot. It's helpful because it reduces back and forth with managers while still keeping a record of any changes for accountability. Next, set the clockout override hours. For many teams, 8 hours is a solid starting point, but choose a number that reflects a normal shift in your workplace. This override automatically clocks someone out once they hit that limit, preventing overnight or marathon shifts caused by missed clockouts. It's a safety net, not a schedule, so pick a value that prevents errors without disrupting real work patterns. If you want better visibility into adjustments, turn on email managers if their team members adjust their clockout time. This keeps managers in the loop and supports quick follow-up when something looks off. Similarly, you can turn on email administrators if team members adjust their clockout time. Use this if your admin team needs a broader view of time edits for compliance or payroll accuracy. If your organization prefers fewer notifications, you can leave these off. The audit trail still exists in the system. When everything looks good, click Save to apply the settings. The changes take effect right away, so it's a good idea to let your team know what's new and how the automatic clockout rule works. Clear communication helps avoid confusion and makes your timekeeping more consistent from day one. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.